From Aesop's Fables, Mercury and the Woodman. An honest, hard-working woodman was felling a tree on the bank of a deep river. In some way his hand slipped, and his axe fell into the water and immediately sank to the bottom. Being a poor man who could ill afford to lose the tool by which he earned his livelihood, he sat down and lamented his loss most bitterly. But Mercury, whose river it was, suddenly appeared on the scene. When he had learned of the woodman's misfortune, he offered to do what he could to help. Diving into the deep, swift-flowing stream, he brought up an axe made of solid gold. "Could this be yours?" he asked. "Alas, I wish it were," replied the woodman sadly. Again Mercury dived into the icy cold water, and this time brought up an axe made of solid silver. But again the woodman shook his head and denied that the tool belonged to him. Mercury dived a third time and produced the identical axe which the man had lost. Naturally, the owner was delighted to see his trusty axe once more, and so was Mercury. "You are an honest and a good man," said the messenger of the gods. "I want you to take the golden and the silver axe as a reward for telling the truth." Thanking his benefactor, the woodman ran home to tell his wife of his good fortune. As the story spread, one of the neighbors rushed down to the same spot on the river bank, threw his axe into the water, and began to moan and groan over his loss. Just as before, Mercury appeared, and learning what had occurred, dived into the water and fetched up a golden axe. "Is this the axe you lost, my friend?" he asked. Yes, that's it," lied the man, greedily reaching for the golden axe in Mercury's hand. But just as he was about to grasp the axe of gold, Mercury said, "Not so fast, sir. You are lying, and to punish you for not being truthful, I am not only denying you this, but I am leaving your own axe at the bottom of the river." Moral: honesty is the best policy.